Game jams are events on where you have to make a game in a short period of time. These are really fun to take part if you've never taken part in one, but they do have some problems. First of all, the big, important game jams only happen once in a while, and they do require a large amount of time. You might need to take a whole weekend out, a week, or even 2 weeks out of your time. And you're competing against a large amount of developers who might work in teams or make use of more powerful engines than Construct. If you want to take part in smaller, more regular game jams, there are ones available, such as TryJam, where you've got 3 hours to make a game, and you've got up to a weekend to use those 3 hours. But these smaller game jams have very little incentive. For instance, TryJam, your reward is getting your name on the website, and obviously that's because there's no money going into the game jam itself. So I think I've come up with a solution to this problem. Once a month, depending on how well this first episode goes, I want to create a short construct challenge for the community to try and compete in. These challenges might be program based or art design based, and is only going to take about an hour of your time. So something fun you can take part in, be part of the community, but not having to take away a large amount of time from your other projects. So the first theme is going to be 2 objects only. This means throughout your entire project, your side right bar will only have 2 objects on it max. You cannot add a third, fourth, or fifth. You can add in a sprite and a tiled background, and that's it. You can add in a keyboard and audio, and that's it. You can add in a mouse and particles. That is it. So have a really good think about what your 2 objects are going to be and how might you use them to make a game or a short project. Let's go over the rules. You may only use 2 objects. That should be clear by now. This doesn't mean that you can use as many sprites as you want. 2 sprites is your 2 objects. Rule number 2, construct only. This is a construct channel. You can use other versions of construct, so if you are a construct 2 developer, feel free to use that. But I am looking for construct only. The project should only take around 5 minutes to play. I want to make it fair to everybody. I don't want someone who's got loads and loads of time. You put 2-3 hours into a project competing against someone who only had 5 minutes. So 5 minutes to play maximum. Points are going to be awarded for creativity and how well you execute that creativity of ideas. There's going to be no points rewarded for art design or sound, but it is welcomed if you do want to include that stuff. All entries must be emailed to me. You'll see my email in description by Sunday, 9 AM GMT. And of course, it's going to be 1 entry per person. If you want to see the full set of rules and obviously my email address, it'll be all in the description. Finally, we move on to prizes. All series projects will be featured on the channel. I'll go through every single entry and then I will show you my favorites right at the end. Feel free to also include your socials in the email. I'll add them to the video descriptions. Second place, I am rewarding first and second place, is going to be a £5 Amazon gift card. Nothing too exciting, but for less than an hour of your time to win a £5 Amazon gift card, pretty good deal to me. And for first place, I've just doubled it, so £10. Again, I am a really small YouTube channel. I don't make money off YouTube, so this is all coming out of my own pocket. And it's a little bit of fun. You are competing against a small number of people, so definitely worth an entry. So you've got the rules, you've got the challenge. Hope to see as many of you compete in this first episode, and I'll see you on Sunday with the results.